Now, in example, add 78 kgs 550 grams and 39 kgs 220 grams. So, here the combination of kilograms and grams is given. When kilograms and grams is given, then how to add? See here, first we have to write kg, kilograms, and after that grams. In the first one, 78 kgs. How many kgs? 78 kgs. And 550 we have to take in grams. 550 in grams. This first one is over. The second one, 39 kgs. 39 kg. 220 grams. 220 in grams place. Now add. Addition. How to add? First we add grams, smaller units. So that is from extreme right. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Again 5 plus 2 is 7. 770 grams. 770 grams. Okay. Now 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 means 9. After 9, count 8 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 14, 15, 16. 16, 9 plus 8, 9. 9 means we starts from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is 17. 17 means 7 in ones place. 1 we have to take carry over on tens place. Okay. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 8. 9, 10, 11. So 170 kilograms, 770 grams. So this is our addition. When kilograms and grams combination is there, so this is the method to add. Okay. Now, so the second example, subtract 35 kgs 275 grams from 50 kg 394 grams. Here the combination of kilograms and grams is given. So it means first we have to write kilograms first, then after that grams. Okay. Then first how many kilograms are there? 35 kilograms. And how many grams are there? 275 grams. So don't take 35 and 275 first. From number we have to take first. Which number we have to write? From this number, from 50 kgs first. 50 kgs 394 grams. So then 35 kgs 275 grams. Okay. So now we have to subtract. We should subtract this. So first we start our subtraction from grams. In grams place we start from extreme right digit, that is 4 and 5. 4 is a smaller number and 5 is a bigger number. Smaller number minus bigger number, we cannot minus it. So now we take borrow from the next in tens place. In 9 tens, take 1 10 borrow. So that is 8 tens left here. If 1 10, so we took borrow, so that means 1 10 is equal to 10 months. 10 plus 4, it is 14. 14 ones. So then 14 minus 5 means from 6 to 14 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 9. 8 minus 7, it is 1. So these are consecutive numbers. When consecutive means serial numbers, then difference is 1. Then 3 minus 2, these are serial numbers, then 3 minus 2 is also 1. Here 0 minus 5, these are in grams, grams over, grams subtraction is over. Then kilograms, 0 minus 5, smaller minus bigger, we cannot minus. Means from tens place we take 1 10 borrow, here 4 tens left, here 1 10, 10 plus 0 10. 10 minus 5 means from 6 to 10 we have to count, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it is 5. Then after that 4 minus 3. So these are the consecutive numbers, the difference is 1. It is in kgs. So what is the difference here? 15 kgs 119 grams. if you subtract 35 kgs 275 grams from 50 kgs 394 grams, then 15 kgs 190 grams is the answer. From number we have to subtract the another number. Okay. Now next, in exercise second, add the following. So these three questions, addition questions. Then see here, first how to add. First we have to add grams places, extreme right digit, that is 0 plus 2. 0 plus any number is the number itself, it means 2. 0 plus 2 is 2 only, and the next digit 9 and 2. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. 11 means 1. In tens place 1 we have to take carry over on hundreds place in grams. Okay. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. These are grams. Okay. Now kgs. 3 plus 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 0 plus 7. 0 plus any number is the number itself, 7 only. So, and this one as it is. 176 kgs 212 grams. Okay. Now in the second question only grams given, so just we add grams places. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 7 means after 8 7 fingers we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means 5 tens, 1 we have to take carry over on tens place. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 grams. 1250 grams. So if we convert this into kgs and grams, the fourth digit, tens, thousands digit we have to separate and write kgs, and 250 grams. 1250 grams are 1 kg 250 grams. Okay. Now, so the third question, add grams places, extreme right digit. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 7. In tens place, 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 means 5 in tens, and 1 we have to take carry over on tens place in grams. Now 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 557 grams. This is our gram part. Now kgs, 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in kgs in ones place, 11 means 1 in ones place, and 1 we have to take carry over on tens place. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 41. 41 kg 557 grams. Okay. So this is our addition part in exercise 2. Now the difference means subtraction. So subtract 16 kgs 247 grams, 1 kg 999 grams. Then how to subtract? 7 minus 9, extreme right digit 7 minus 9. Smaller minus bigger we cannot minus. Take 110 borrow from 4 tens. You will get 3 tens here, and here you will get 17. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 9 means 10 to 17 you have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. 3 minus 9 we cannot minus this one. So again you have to take 100s borrow from the next. Here 100s left, here it will get 13. 13 minus 9 means from 10 to 13 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 4. Okay. Here 1. 1 minus 9. Smaller minus bigger we cannot minus. Again you take borrow from the kg. So, okay. Here 5. Here 6 kgs in. So, if you get 1 kg 1000 grams, it will get 10 increased. It will get 11. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 9 means 9, 10, 11. It is 2. So, this is grams. Okay. Now kgs. 5 minus 1 is 4. And here only 1 is there, 1 as it is. 14 kgs 248 grams. 248 48 grams. Okay. Now, here 7 minus 5, bigger minus smaller, we can minus. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 2, bigger minus smaller, we can minus. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 4 minus 6, smaller minus bigger, we cannot minus. Take borrow from kgs. Here it will decrease by 1, here it will increase by 10. 4 plus 10, 14. 14 minus 6 means 7 to 14 we have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 8. This is grams. Okay. Now 3 minus 9, smaller minus bigger, we cannot minus. So from here we take borrow. In tens means 7 tens we will get, here 10 increase. 13 minus 9 means 10 to 13 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 4. And after that 7. 74 kgs, 812 grams. Okay. So this is the method to subtract grams. The same usual method only. So from using usual method, so we subtract. Addition also the same usual method only. So we have to follow. Okay. Addition kgs and grams we have to write. So okay students. Okay. Now next, add 235 kgs, 175 kgs 10 grams and 25 kgs 150 grams. See here 3 quantities given. So that is in kgs and grams. First we have to write kgs first and grams. In first 235 kgs only, 235 kgs. Okay. There is no grams means 3 zeros you have to take. In grams we have 3 digits, so that 3 zeros, nothing, no grams means 0, 0, 0 grams. Next, this first quantity is over. Then second quantity 175 kg and 10 grams, 10 we have to write here. Here keep 0. First 10 grams means we have to fill here in ones place and tens place. 10 means how to take 10, ones place we have to take 0 and tens place 1 and hundreds place 0. Next, the third quantity 25 kg. So we have to take 25 like this. So 5 in kgs in ones place and tens place. Don't take 25 like this, here in hundreds and tens. 25 kgs 150 grams. Now add all this. How to add grams? We have to add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Extreme right is 0. 0 plus 1 is number itself 1, 1 plus 5 is 6. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So it is grams, 160 grams. Now kgs part. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 ones means 5 in ones place, 1 we have to take carry over on tens place. Then after that 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 means 3 in tens place, 1 we have to take carry over on tens place. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 435 kgs, 160 grams, 160 grams. 435 kgs, 160 grams. Okay. Now the next question. Subtract 360 grams from 4 kgs. Here first kgs, here first and grams. 4 kgs, first we have to take 4 in kgs. There is no grams. So 0, 0, 0 grams. From this we have to subtract 360 grams. Grams only, here we have only grams means there is no kgs. 0 kgs, 360 grams. Now we subtract. Now how to subtract? So here 0, here 0, here 0 is there. First 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6 we cannot minus. So take borrow from next. Here also 0. From here we have to take borrow. In 4 kgs, 1 kg take borrow, 3 kgs, here you will get 10. If you take from here again, say here it will get 9, here you will get 10. 10 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 3 is 6, 640 grams. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 kgs, 640 grams, 640 grams. Okay. Now, the fifth question. Find the difference between 65 kgs, 650 grams and 14 kgs. So, from is not given. So, first numbers we have to take first and after that second. 65 kgs, 650 grams. In that 14 kgs. 14 kgs, there is no grams, means 0, 0, 0. Now subtract. Extreme right digit in gram. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. This is grams. Now kgs part. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 51 kgs, 650 grams. Now, add. Here addition is there. Here this is the first quantity, this is second quantity, this is third quantity. All these three quantities we have to add. So, first take kg and gram. In the first quantity 12 kgs, 600 grams. In the second 3 kg take in ones place. In kgs ones place you have to write. Do not write here in tens place. 3 kgs, below 2 we have to take 3. 3 kgs, 550 grams. Then 740 grams. Only grams. Here there is no kg, means kg is 0. Now add. Add ones places. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, the number itself 5. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now, 6 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The sum is 18. 18 means 8 in grams. And 1 we have to take carry over on kgs, unit place. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 0, 6. And here only 1 is there, 1. 16 kgs, 890 grams. This is your answer. Okay. Now students, in word problems, the example, what he has given, Jatin weight is 48 kgs, 385 grams. Jatin weight is given. So that weight is 48 kgs, 385 grams, and his elder brother weight Nitin is heavier than 5 kg, 473 grams. Okay. So his elder brother is 5 kg, 473 grams heavier than Jatin. Then what is Nitin's weight? He is asking. Means heavier is given. So this much heavier. Heavier means we have to add. So Jatin weight and heavier weight we have to add. Then you will get Nitin's weight. Nitin's weight. First, Jatin's weight. Solution. Jatin's weight. Here kgs, here grams. Okay. 48 kgs, 385 grams. Okay. Now, Nitin is heavier by. Nitin is heavier by. How many kgs heavier? 5 kg. 5 we have to write here. 5 kg, 473 grams. Then, now after adding, what you will get? You will get Jatin's weight. Nitin's weight, not Jatin's weight. Nitin's weight. After adding, you are getting Nitin's weight. So, how much heavier? 5 kg, 473 grams. He is heavier than Nitin's. So, how much heavier? So, if you add that, then you will get Nitin's weight. Okay. Now, So grams place we have to add first. 5 and 3 we have to add. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 8 plus 7, these two next digits we have to add. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means 5 in tens place. 1 we have to take carry over on hundreds place in grams. Okay. Now 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So this is in grams. 858 grams. Now add kgs. 8 plus 5 in kgs, ones place you have to add. So 5, 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 means 3 in ones place in kgs, 1 we have to take carry over on tens place. Next 4 plus 1, 5. 53 kgs. 53 kgs, 858 grams. This is Nitin's weight. This is Nitin's weight. Now, in exercise third, the first question, Arun weighs 32 kgs, 273 grams. This is Arun's weight. Okay. Suman weight 29 kgs and 290 grams. So what is their total weight? Total weight he is asking, means we have to add these two, then you will get total weight. Then after that, in the second question, what he is asking, find whose is heavier. Who is heavier? This is Arun's weight 32 kgs, 273 and Suman weight is 29 kgs. 32 and 29, 32 is more. It means Arun is heavier. Arun is heavier. Then how much he is asking? How much means? So there we have to subtract. Here, so two sums, one addition and the other one subtraction. So first addition, total weight. For total weight, so we have to add. So what is given first? Arun's weight. Arun's weight. First here kgs, here grams. How many kgs? 32 kgs, 273 grams. Okay. Next after that, Suman's weight. Suman's weight. Suman's weight 29 kgs, 290 grams. Now what we have to do? So we have to find their total weight. Total weight. Total weight we have to find. Total means we have to add both. Addition. Okay. First grams, extreme left, extreme right digit we have to add 3 plus 0. 0 and any number, if we add the number itself only the answer 3. Then after that next digit, tens digit, 9 plus 7 or 7 plus 9. 9 after that 7 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It is 16 means 6 tens. 1 we have to take carry over on hundreds place. Now add hundreds places. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 again plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 563 grams. Okay. Now in tens place. In kgs we have to add. In ones, in kgs place ones digit we have to add. So 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. 11 means, so 1 in ones place, 1 we have to take carry over on tens place. After that 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 61 kg. This is total weight. 61 kgs, 363 grams. Now, in the second, who is heavier? He is asking. Arun weight is 32 kgs, 273. Suman's weight is 29. In 32 and 29, 32 is more. Arun is heavier. Arun is heavier. Heavier than Suman. How much he is asking? How much means, so from Arun's weight we have to subtract Suman's weight. That is first kgs, and here grams. In kgs, Arun's weight first 32 kgs 273 grams. Then Suman's weight 29 kgs 290 grams. Now minus extreme right digit in grams. 3 minus 0 is 3. 7 minus 9. Smaller minus bigger we cannot minus, so take borrow from the next hundreds place. If you take in 200s 100 borrow, then 100 is left. Here you will get increase by 10. 10 plus 7 17 here. 17 minus 9 means from 10 to 17 you have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is 8. It is 8. 1 minus 2. We cannot minus. 1 is a smaller. Again we have to take borrow from the next kgs. 1 kg we have to take borrow. 1 kg left in one's place. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Here you will get increase by 10 means 11. 10 plus 1 11. 11 minus 2 that is 9. 983 grams. Okay. Here 1 minus 9 we cannot minus. Again we take borrow from the next tens place. In 3 tens, if you take 1 10 borrow, here you will get 2 and here increase by 10. 11 minus 9 is 2. 2 kg. 983 grams heavier. So, Arun is 2 kg 983 grams heavier than Suman. Okay, this is the answer. Next, see here, next word problem in exercise 3. In exercise, third exercise, Aryan purchased 60 kgs 195 grams sugar from one shop. In from another shop, 23 kgs 275 grams he purchased from another shop. Then how much sugar did he purchased means total he is asking. Total how much sugar he purchased means first shop how much he purchased from first shop and second shop. So the total we have to add. So then you will get total how much sugar he purchased. Okay. Sugar purchased from first shop. So here we have to take kgs and grams. How much kg? 60 kg 195 grams he purchased. Then in the second, sugar purchased from another shop means from second shop. That is 23 kgs 275 grams. 23 kgs 275 grams. Then now total sugar purchased. Total sugar purchased means addition. So here in grams extreme right digit we have to add unit digits. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 ones means 1 tens. In 0 in ones, 1 we have to take carry over on tens place. Now 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 7 17. 17 means 7 in tens place. 1 we have to take carry over on hundreds place. Now 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 470 grams. Now kilograms. 0 plus 3, 0 plus any number, the number itself. 0 plus 3 is 3 and 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8, 8. 83 kgs 470 grams. This total weight of sugar purchased by Aryan. Okay.